anti-crime transitional program geared towards the rehabilitation and reintegration of prisoners, ex-prisoners, deportees, delinquent youth, and socially displaced persons, Vision on Mission was founded in 1995 underneath the steps of the Port of Spain prison by then inmate Mr. Wayne Bryan Chance. The organization was registered under the Companies Act of 1995 upon his release from prison in the year 2000 under the chosen name Vision on Mission, and it has been in full operation from ever since. Vision on Mission's Board of Directors is comprised of a specially selected team of distinguished professionals who bring to the table years of experience in various sectors of society. These committed individuals jointly oversee the activities of Vision on Mission to ensure that goals and objectives of this non-government organization are viable and is in the best interest of the organization's clientele, its staff, its members, the people, and the nation. The board is divided up into committees, and the positions and legal responsibilities of board members vary due to the nature of the organization and within the jurisdiction within which it operates. Some of the most important responsibilities include financial oversight, project management, establishing and approving policies and procedures, to serve as ambassadors for Vision on Mission, to carry out monthly board meetings, to vote on decisions, to report to the founder and CEO of the organization, Mr. Wayne Chance, and to maintain the accountability and transparency which Vision on Mission is internationally known for. The board maintains and values its credibility with the highest integrity, while they ensure that the organization has what it needs to carry out its mission, and they do this legally, ethically, and effectively as they hold various positions in society and on this board. The board has several committees to assist in its duties pursuant to the respective committee, and may also establish ad hoc committees for detailed reviews or consideration of particular topics to be proposed for the approval of the board. The process of becoming a member of the board holds a high standard as persons are carefully chosen by a nomination and selection committee. Those selected by this committee to serve on the board are formally tendered a letter of invitation to serve along with the necessary information about the organization and its goals and objectives. The selected individual must then submit a formal letter of acceptance. Upon receiving letters of acceptance from each person, an elegant function is held to confirm the position of these members. This function is called the inauguration of the Vision on Mission's Board of Directors. At this function, a certificate of appointment is ceremoniously issued to members. The cycle of the Vision on Mission's Board of Directors is biannual, and all posts and positions are eligible for change except for the founder, CEO, and executive president, Mr. Wayne Bryan Chance. The inauguration of the Board of Directors of 2011 and 12 ceremony hosted by Vision on Mission on the 31st of January 2011 at the Queen's Hall, Port of Spain, was inaugurated under the auspiciousness of the Honorable Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, Mrs. Kamla Persad-Bissessar, as well as President of the Senate, Mr. Timothy Hamel-Smith, House Speaker, Mr. Wade Mark, members of the opposition, Mrs. Donna Cox, and Dr. Amory Brown. Ambassadors, executives, and other political members were present as well.